Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some of the best tips and tricks for macOS Sequoia. In my previous videos, I shared some great tips about boosting performance with macOS Sequoia, and today we're building on that with even more features that will help you get the most out of your Mac. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned pro, these tips will be super useful. First, let's talk about dynamic wallpapers. macOS Sequoia introduces stunning new dynamic wallpapers that change throughout the day. To set one, head to System Settings, a wallpaper, and choose from the new Sequoia-themed options featuring beautiful scenes from Sequoia National Park that adjust based on the time of day, keeping your workspace fresh. Next, Safari's distraction control feature hides intrusive elements on web pages so you can focus on the content that matters. Click the page menu icon in the address bar and select Hide Distracting Items to enjoy reading without the clutter. Want to make your touch bar more useful? Customize it by going to System Settings, the keyboard, Customize Touch Bar. Add shortcuts for your favorite apps and functions to streamline your workflow. If you're interested in iPhone mirroring, window tiling, or the new audio recording and transcription features in Notes, check out my video on those topics from last week, where I go in depth on these features and more. Moving on to the new Passwords app. This is a dedicated app for managing your passwords securely, generating strong passwords, and syncing everything across your devices through iCloud Keychain. You can also enable hover text to see a larger overlay of what you're typing, which is great for improving visibility. For those using the Messages app, scheduling messages has never been easier. Just tap the plus button and choose Send Later to schedule your messages for a specific time. And don't forget about text replacement, a fantastic time saver. Go to System Settings, a keyboard, a text replacement to set up shortcuts for commonly used phrases. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my previous video where I covered even more helpful tips for optimizing your macOS experience. Let me know in the comments which macOS Sequoia feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.